That's not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notifications are on. And if you hit the like button or comment, make sure it's working properly, because they are doing everything in their power to suppress the channel, suppress the videos, because they don't want more people becoming aware of all the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Listen, guys, the bad actors, naked shorting AMC, GME, NWBO, GNS, Quant, they are in trouble. They are in trouble. The liquidity of their banking buddies that finances their criminal activity, because that's what it is. It is criminal activity where you're creating billions of counterfeit shares of a company's stock and just selling it into the market. Okay? And the SEC knows this, the DOJ knows this, the FBI knows this, and they do absolutely nothing about it. And you guys know why. Because a majority of the victims of these crimes are retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. Okay, and if you're not donating millions of dollars to these politicians, you can break the rules at will with no real consequences. But you still need money to keep these fraudulent positions open, because the positions are not free. Okay, it costs you money to keep open counterfeit short positions. And if you look at the reverse repo, it's down to 84 billion. Remember, it was at a high of about $2.3 trillion. It's down to 84 billion. The bad actors who are naked short in the United States stock market are slowly running out of money. And when that liquidity is gone, the banks are not going to go down with the naked shorters. The banks are going to have margin calls, and if they don't have the collateral to put up or the cash, there will be forced liquidations. And then a lot of stocks that they've been manipulating, they're going to be forced to buy back those counterfeit shorts in the open market, and then the price of these stocks are going to start rising to their true value and beyond. Okay? They want us to think that they can naked short forever, but they can't, because in order to maintain these short positions, they need cash. And if you're looking at the reverse repo, it's down to 84 billion. That means the cash, the liquidity is running out. And once the banks don't have money, the naked shorters that they are financing don't have money either. And then the situation turns dire. That's really the bottom line. These bad actors rob and steal from retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules every single day. It's right there in the data, in the dog pool volume. It's right there in the spoofing and the washing. I mean, how do you trade 10 or 15x the float of a company in one day without counterfeit shares? I mean, it's absolutely crazy. And the fact that the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI practice willful blindness to it, it's just another level. It's just another level of hypocrisy, in my opinion. But when I see the reverse repo like this, I get happy. Okay? I get happy. I get overjoyed, because it tells me that liquidity is coming to an end. And hopefully, these bad actors will be held accountable to what they've been doing to us over the last 5 years. What they didn't depend on was retail investors holding their positions in AMC and GME. They are accustomed to us buying high, and then when they do their manipulation and push it down, we usually bail out, and then they laugh at us all the way to the bank. But now retail investors are laughing. You know why? Because AMC investors, GME investors, they have learned to diamond hand their position, because a lot of them are already down 96, 97%. So they don't mind holding that other 3% so these bad actors don't get out of this play unscathed. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think the reverse repo at $84 billion is scaring the AMC GME naked shorters? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.